and I can do the stitches. So she's done now. I'm gonna put. Oh shit! Look at the falcons, male and female. Attack my bird right here. Shit. Right there. Oh my god! I can't see. Hamza, falcon, Hamza, look. Oh my god. Right there. Shit, oh look at this. Oh, dive then. Oh. Hamza, look. Oh my god. Look. Here, there's the female, and the males are right there on the top. Crazy. They are going right there. The male is the top and the female is the bottom. Oh, there's my two of my birds. They're chasing my two birds. I can see them now. Oh yes, I see them. Hamza, look. I see my two birds. They're chasing.
Is that a falcon?
No, they are too far. Right there, I see them. Oh, they're coming. They're coming.
They're far.
Hamza, right there. Can you see behind those trees? They're coming.
God.
They're chasing. Oh, the males. Oh, they're chasing one of my birds now. They're right there. I see one of them is coming. They're coming behind those trees. Let's see if I can see them. They're coming. They're gonna make it or not. I don't see them, they're coming yet. Okay. They got disappeared behind those trees. I don't see them anymore. Two of my birds being attacked behind those trees. They didn't made it yet. Hopefully they will come back. Hello friends, this bird's baby hatch. Baby hatch. And the two birds was missing, one of them came back. I'm still waiting for another one. So we're still waiting for the next one. Hopefully she makes it. Falcon attack. Oh friends, one of the birds came back and he got hit really bad with the falcons. Let's see if I can get her a good view. As you can see, she's injured. Bad injured. Got really bad puncture. It's good, her inside. Let's see how she got hurt. She got on the head side. Where she go? This is what happens with the falcons. Right there. She got a really bad cat. I'm gonna see if she needs stitches. It's not good.
Okay, Daddy, what happened?
Well, this bird got hit with the falcon with him today.
Oh my God.
And I'm stitching her. I'll have to take all the feathers off from the side of the skin so I can get a nice stitch.
That's a lot of blood.
Yeah, I got a really bad cat. I see maybe about 2-3 inches.
2-3 inches?
Yeah, look, it's really deep too.
So how did it get hit?
So the birds were flying. The falcon attacked.
Falcon attacked. Daddy, your hands are filled with blood. Wipe your hands. Ouch. You look up closer right here. Falcon attacked. Oh, blood. Oh my god. Daddy, where did the falcon come from?
They came from the east side.
East? East?
Yeah. From America.
From America? That's
Yeah.
like all the way to that mountain. Why is it coming all to America?
That's where they come from.
Show you up close. That's good. Okay, bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell button. Okay, bye. Small clip. My dad just finished the stitches and he's fixing it up a little bit more.
He's done stitches, so I put this little cloth on his face so he can breathe. But this special cloth I used that they can breathe through, right? And the pigeon will be calm, and I can do the stitches. So she's done now. I'm gonna put polysporin, and that's it. She's doing good.
Okay.
And I do
So,
the cleanup.
is she good still?
Yeah, she's doing good now.
Okay, bye guys.
So